What?
Can you do it for me? Yeah.
Huh? Dalawa. Who's not sharing? Don't worry about it. Dalawa.
Like, Matt, you're just...
What? What is he?
Sabi niya, okay ba inaasar ako? Tingnan mo yung sombrero niya. Dad, you need to wear a vest. See?
Huh?
Nee, look at his hat. Dad, why are you looking like a goofy?
What?
He's doing it on purpose. Maybe he's not getting enough attention at home.
Oh, that's not good. That's your
No
problem.
wonder. Ano ba?
Video to.
Video pa. Maybe. Is that a... Is
Hey.
that a cry for help?
Hey,
Is it a
world
cry
peace,
for
right? World peace.
That's right. Peace.
I was like, oh my god, you're getting bigger. Look at all the juice we got.
You don't need it.
See how slow that river is? She's got a big one.
Kala ko naman rapids eh. No.
Oh.
Try the best. Dude, okay yung kaya ko. Maliit na kaya ko. Yeah. Naka-blue.
Pero puta na ano yun, DOM yan. Mag-isa lang yan.
Mercedes yan.
DOM yan. Yan eh. Dapat yun ang ginawa natin, pampamilya.
It's so cute. Please.
Huh?
I know. Umiikot-ikot kayo.
Hey, is this our cooler too?
Yeah. The other one.
Allie.
Do you like want to put that in the pink one?
Put a rope on this and drag it.
Wait a minute. Who among you doesn't know how to swim? Who can swim?
Nico.
Okay. Who can swim? She can swim. No, we just gotta know so we know who to look for, look after. You know how to swim? You know how to swim?
Where's the rope? Drag those two already. Let's go.
Stormy, you know how to swim? What about you? You know how to swim? You do? Really? That's cool.
Allie. Make your shoe laces tight and then double knot it. When you double knot it, it gets in between.
Crazy day. It's 4th of July weekend.
Hey, move over. Too bad you guys aren't here to join us, man.
Hey, it's not you I'm taking video of. It's the bum behind you.
I thought you were picturing. Roll.
Hang on, Alex. Wait.
Hang on.
So wait a minute. We got to figure out where the kids are.
Gotta figure out where everybody's going.
No, the kids should be in the middle boat. Hey, the kids should be in the middle boat. Kids, you got to be in the middle boat.
Hey, the rope's not here. Allie,
Si Julie, pasakay natin sa pink tapos kawalan na natin.
hey, that's just two. There's two more little one foot. Two more one foot. One right here. Okay. Here.
Okay, and that's for supplies and all that.
Time out. Hey, so yung mga kids stay more in the middle, right?
Yeah, they got to be in the middle.
Not in.
Hey, third, can you like double wrap that thing?
Wait, we get in the water before you carry it.
One edge.
Hey, the kids gotta go in the middle.
Okay, let's go.
Kids gotta go in the middle raft.
Hey, Luke, where are you gonna here? You guys see what's going on?
It's gonna get wet and it's gonna be tight.
You say, come on, stay with me.
So how many people do we have?
We need another rope.
You need another
Head count, head count. 16, okay, it's divided by 3.
Why did you just use this?
Let's go.
Five in each. Hey, Allie. Allie,
Hey,
stay in the middle raft.
Miners, it's gonna stay right now. Later on, when we're in the water, you guys can jump in and out of boats, pick a boat, it doesn't matter, but we gotta go. Yeah, to tie that up.
What? It's fine.
Whatever, let's go. It's not fine. Who's gonna use it?
No, we're gonna need it for like
Believe me, it's not fine.
What are you saying that we're gonna wait?
Car's not that far, you know.
Where is it?
Another one.
You're gonna move it.
The car's just right there. Here you go. That one. Give it
oh,
to me.
Imelda Marcos.
Yes? No, just kidding.
And Imelda Marcos' mom.
Just as cool.
That's
Just as
what
cool.
happened to Diane.
Are there any more buffalo?
It's Tita Girly. Tita Meldy.
Tita Mel.
Tayo lang, lasing na ako.
What did you have?
The Mike's Harder or whatever.
How come I didn't have that?
Try it.
Wala na?
No, it's in Anch.
He went to,
Anchila's bag.
no, he went to get the rope that he wanted. He's right there. He's coming.
Hey, kids, get out first when you get in.
No, wait, first. They're gonna get the rope.
Where's he getting it from the car?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Where?
Yeah, the blue one.
A big guy?
Yeah.
Oh, he has a morning.
Yeah, so what? What?
Okay, there's some more there.
What do you need?
Grab one.
What do you need?
A bigger vest.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's
I
more.
know, man. Okay, huwag ka mag-best.
Here. Let's go shoot people who.
Puta, dalawa lang yan. Doon na lang yata ako sasama.
Yung mga bunch of girls dun, isa lang yung ano eh. Ayun, doon oh. That's what I was saying. That's so cool. Yan oh, ikaw oh.
This one here, he just jumped in there. Pinaisip siya sa ilalim. People didn't notice. Hindi na siya sinsurf.
Oh, nag-jump na
Sino?
siya?
Yeah, they were jumping from there. Ngayon, bawal na. Because of the rock.
Hindi na sila nag-surface. Bakit na nabalian?
Pinaisip niya sa ilalim. And people, of
Mas
course, having a
babaw
good
yun eh.
time, di ba? Na, yeah, you know, hindi siya napansin. Until 30 minutes later, you're all looking for him.
Kaya Rira, let's think good thoughts.
Some kid jumped off the bridge.
Why are you talking about that?
Yeah, I know. Bad vibes. Bad vibes. Hey, do we have like cups to remove water from our raft?
Hey, we got all day of this, man. Let's go.
Did you find this thing?
Nalagay mo sa ilalim, pwede ka sumakay dyan. Mamaya sakay ako dyan. Yeah, you guys will...
Kawawa naman yung pink raft. Lumubog ka.
Baka mo pwede oh.
Buta mo babasa yung rubber shoes mo.
I know.
Kailangan sila.
Did he wet you, Diane? Oh, this is groovy.
Okay, that ends our videotaping of today's event. Until later. when we find some interesting
Haba na
You have something to pay.
hooters or whatever.